Alright, I have, my cruise control isn't working anymore. So I took the old cruise control module out and I went to the junkyard to find another one. And I was hoping to get one with the cable, but it seems like the junkyard just cut these every time they pulled an engine. So I found this one and I figured out how to take this cable off, and all you have to do is grab two things. I don't have an extra hand. Push on both sides like this and pull this and it'll wiggle out, and then I have this little connector that the cable goes into. And I pulled this all the way out. I hope that resets when I put that back into the truck, so I will try that. Alright, so I popped that out. There's a little O-ring in there, and that's how the cable's attached. So I'll go ahead and take this guy out. It's really hard to do this holding the camera, and put it in the other cruise control module. So try, see if that fits. Well, it will fit. I just need this to reset itself when I plug it back in. Alright, since it has all this slack in here, I'm just gonna pull that from this side to tighten this up. So I'm pulling all this slack through, tightening this until it gets back in there. Oh man, it's hard to do one-handed. Make sure that seat's all the way back down in there, like so. Pull this side tight, and we'll go ahead and hook it up. Alright, so when you put these guys in and take them out, you really only need to take out this top bolt. You can see the back ones, they're on rubber grommets that are not complete circles, which is nice. That means you can just get this guy on these rubber grommets back here. Well, I can't do this one-handed, but you get it on those rubber grommets, and then this will just pop right into place. So I will get that done. Okay, so I've got that clip back in, this clip back in, it routed back, plugged in. Time to go for a test drive. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Let's turn this cruise to on. And nothing lights up there, that's not a good sign. Oh, hey! I thought a little light used to come on, but no lights, but it's cruising. Foot is off the gas. Hell yeah. I haven't had cruise control in this truck for years. So, that is awesome. Holding steady at 60 miles an hour, so that fixed it. Replace the module, keep the same cord, and get your cruise control back. Alright, let's try to accelerate. Accelerate. There we go. Working as it should. Flip this off. Cruise control goes off. Alright, that's a success.